Hey guys, welcome back to UltimaBeauty. Today I'm doing a little review and tutorial for you of NYX Jumbo Multi-Use Face Sticks. So these guys come in, I believe, 6 different shades. I have 3 right here, and they're incredible. They're totally multi-use. They are named correctly. So we'll start with the first one I got was the Vanilla Ice Cream. And it's this beautiful pearly white shade, and it's perfect for highlighting the brow bone, highlighting the inner corners of your eyes, highlighting your cheekbones. Honestly, you could even use it as a lipstick if you wanted to. The next one I got is this very pretty iridescent magenta. It's the shade Blueberry Muffin, and it's so lovely. You can use it as lipstick. You could even use it as eyeshadow. It's great for blush or just a super pretty highlight. I love it because it's got that magenta shade, but it also has like a purpley violet sort of iridescent shimmer to it. It's really pretty. Then I have this bronzy shimmer one. It's called the Meringue, and it's perfect for eyeshadows as I have it right now. I also did sort of a shimmer contour and it's a nice really pretty bronzer if you like to use bronzer. It's not too dark, it's not too light, it's not going to disappear on you. It's a really nice shade, Lemon Meringue. There are, I think, 3 more that are more similar to Lemon Meringue. They're varying shades of sort of bronzy gold. Really nice too. So these guys, I got them from Ulta. They retailed at, I think, $8 each, which really isn't bad when you think about all the different things you can do with them. So you're pretty much getting an eyeshadow, a highlighter, a lip color, all in one for $8. So I think that's pretty remarkable. They all finish with that pretty shimmer pearl effect. So they last about 6 hours, I'd say. They are a cream finish, so they're gonna be a little less staying power than, say, a powder. But they don't fade terribly. It does crease a little bit on the eyelid after a few hours, but they don't look bad. And I think they really do last quite a long time, especially this white one here, Vanilla Ice Cream. Stayed really nice on the inner corners of my eyes, despite many outside activities, and it was pretty warm out the other day here, and it still didn't fade terribly, so I really like them. Another great thing about them is they twist up, so there's no real need to worry about sharpening them, so that's a plus too. I think they're really great, they're really cute, great colors, pretty good staying powder for creams. I would totally check them out, and they're super affordable. So next I have just one of the many looks you can create with these face sticks. Check it out. First I'm going to take the NYX stick in Lemon Meringue, and I'm just going to run that all over my eyelid. Get a nice coppery brown color. Really nice and saturated. And then just using my finger, I'm going to spread the color, go a little bit into the crease, just give it a little bit of a diffused look. Same thing on the other eye. And you can build color, so if you want a deeper bronzy shade, just add more of the color. Layer the NYX stick. Then using the stick in Vanilla Ice Cream, just going to run that with a couple lines through the brow bone, just to give it a nice highlight. Then just use your finger to smudge that. Get some nice coverage. It's a really nice highlighter. Gives you a really pretty pearly, almost dewy finish. And again, if you want a stronger white shade, just keep layering the color. It's really easy to build. Then with the same shade, take it onto the inner corners of your eyes and a little bit into the bottom lash line. And then just gently sort of melt that into the corners of your eyes, a little bit into the bridge of the nose. Then I'm just going to use a black eyeshadow instead of a liquid liner and just gently trace that along my lash line just to give it a little more definition so our bronze shade stands out a little bit better. So almost just pressing the shadow into the lash line. Really gentle, nothing major or dramatic. Then using a volumizing mascara, this one's from UltimaBeauty. Just going to quickly pop that on the top and bottom lashes. Again, just to pull our whole look together. This is a really nice mascara. Little side note there. If you want to check it out, I got it in my Ipsy bag several months ago and still a fan. Grab yourself a concealer. Just pop it under your eyes. There's really no fallout, maybe a little bit from the black eyeshadow. And just clean it up a little bit. Back in with our bronze shade. Run that just between your cheekbone and your jawbone and sort of smudge that in just for a really light contour. Sort of just melts into your skin. So it's really subtle and pretty. Back in with vanilla shade. Give yourself a good highlighter on the top of the cheekbones. You can see right there, we just keep layering it down the bridge of your nose. And then we're just sort of patting and blending. It all sort of sinks in nice with the skin, so it looks a lot more natural. It's really nice to blend these shades. They're so soft. Then we're going to take another NYX stick. This one's in Blueberry Muffin. And we're going to add a blush shade right there on the apples of the cheeks. And rub that into, it's sort of melting it together with the white and bronze shade. Same thing on the other side. Just blending in that pretty magenta shade. Then we're going to take a little more Blueberry Muffin. I put it on my finger right there, you can see. And I ran it on my lips for a pretty iridescent shine. And continue to put it on your top lip. Maybe use one of your other fingers. And just gently blend it. Take a little more of the white one right there on your Cupid's bow, just for some extra highlight. And there we have our finished NYX Jumbo Multi-Use Face Sticks makeup look. I really love these sticks. They're so pretty, so easy to work with and blend. You can create tons of looks with them. This is just one. Each one has multiple uses: eyeshadow, blush, contour, highlight, lipstick. The possibilities are endless. And that is my finished NYX Jumbo Multi-Use Face Stick tutorial. Like I said before, they are really nice face products, multiple uses, good price. I don't think you can go wrong with them. Thank you for watching. Check out my blog for swatches and more details. Here's a part where I shamelessly plug my channel. If you liked it, subscribe, give it a thumbs up. Kind of what everybody says at the end of their videos. But honestly, I really hope you enjoyed it, and I hope you have a great day and check out these great sticks. I will see you next time. Bye.